In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlight color in WPS Office Mobile. Highlighting text is often used while reviewing or organizing a document, especially when you want certain parts to stand out temporarily. However, once editing is done, those highlights can make the document look messy or unfinished. In this video, I will show you the exact way to remove highlight color from your text using WPS Office on mobile so your document looks clean, clear, and ready to share. Before you begin, make sure your document is already open and you are in editing mode. Carefully check the text and locate the word, sentence, or paragraph where you want the highlight color to be removed. Once you find it, select the text that currently has the highlight applied. It is important to select the correct portion of text, so only the highlighted area you want to change is affected. After selecting the text, look at the bottom left part of your screen. You will see an icon that opens the editing and formatting tools. Tap that icon to bring up the available options. As soon as the menu opens, you will notice several formatting features related to text appearance and style. From this menu, look for the Highlight option. When you open it, you will see a row of suggested colors that are normally used for highlighting text. These colors are helpful when emphasizing important content, but in this case, your goal is to remove the highlight completely. On the far right side of the highlight color options, you will notice an icon that looks similar to a stop symbol. This icon represents the No Color option. Tap this icon once. Right away, you will see that the highlight color is removed from the selected text. The text itself stays exactly the same, but the background highlight disappears instantly. This method is very useful when you are cleaning up a document after reviewing changes or removing temporary highlights that are no longer needed. It allows you to keep your text readable and visually consistent without changing the actual content. If you have more highlighted text in the document, you can repeat the same process. Simply select the highlighted text, tap the icon at the bottom left, open the highlight options, and tap the No Color icon again. With just a few taps, your document will look more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.